How to find someone's phone number on Cash App. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Cash App application. Get logged into your Cash App account. You'll see something like this. Then tap onto your profile on your top right corner. And at this page, tap onto Invite Friends. Now here, tap onto Continue. Then you will see a list of all the people that you are connected with. In order to search for their name, head back to your profile, then tap on the search bar on your bottom. From there, you can either search people by their name or their email address. Once you do so, there you can see their phone number as well. And that is how you can do it. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon.